post by Xiaomi India posted on its social media channel says, "Congratulations OnePlus, we heard about your new flagship. Regards Flagship Killer 2.0. Now that's a bold claim. The word flagship and the letter K along with 2 and 0 have been highlighted, which is clearly specifying the Redmi K20. Redmi General Manager Lu Weibing confirming the name of its Redmi flagship to be the Redmi K20, which should be accompanied by the Redmi K20 Pro. While it was speculated that the company would launch this as the Poco F2 in India and other markets, it seems that this might not be the case and it will be under the branding of Redmi. Now we know about the name, let's get to the leaks. Redmi K20 Pro will be powered by the latest Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 855 processor. In addition to that, the K20 Pro could probably come with the new UFS 3.0 storage and superior cooling technology. Because if I tell you the Antutu scores, you will be amazed, as this overtakes all the prior Antutu scores. The current high score on the benchmark is held by the Xiaomi Mi 9 with its 3,71,423 mark. Today, Weibing went on to give out more details and posted a screenshot of the device's Antutu scores, with the phone living up to its Demon King nickname, scoring 4,58,754 points. So that's impressive, guys. Along with a full view 6.39-inch AMOLED notchless display with pop-up selfie camera giving you an immersive experience. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint reader along with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It is expected to feature a triple camera setup at the back, which could include 48 megapixel primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens on an 8 megapixel sensor and a telephoto lens on a 16 megapixel sensor. It is also expected to feature a pop-up camera with a 20 megapixel sensor for selfie. The Xiaomi Redmi K20 is rumored to run Android Pie and is expected to be powered by a 4000 mAh battery with 27 watt fast charging. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi Redmi K20 are set to include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, infrared, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used for some LTE networks in India, with active 4G on both SIM. The phone will come in 3 color options: Carbon Black, Glacier Blue and Flame Red colors. So after seeing all this, I can affirm that this will be a true flagship killer. The pricing and launch information is not yet available, but it will be sooner than you think. Maybe after the launch of Redmi Note 7s. On that note, Redmi Note 7s will be an upgrade over Redmi Note 7 and it will come with a true 48 megapixel sensor, because they did include the true 48 megapixel sensor for Redmi Note 7 in China market and not in Indian market. So they are releasing this version as a camera upgrade and not more is known about this version. We are getting off the topic, so if you loved the video then subscribe, like, hit and comment below. See you in the next one. Peace out.